like I said, we back at it. We getting the muffler delete. We at 954 mufflers right now. I pick my shit up. That shit low as fuck. Yeah, we got 954 mufflers. I get that delete, man. Oh shit. I ain't gonna try my shit. You wish you knew your dad. Hey, you know your dad? You know your dad? You ever run the milk? You know your dad, shit. You gotta do too. That shit hard. You know your dad? Somebody let the dog here? The Humane Society?
What the hell? Get your ass.
You not one of them sad ass dogs on Humane Society.
Get your ass.
You done been in the rest sport for what?
Slide,
That ass slide. Those thick ass money slides.
Real shit, nigga.
Y'all don't try to move for the porch. That's your job. You gotta be like me. Throw that hoe, throw that hoe. You don't throw that hoe. Throw that hoe. You don't throw that hoe. See, if I want to do, I'm throwing that hoe every time. I don't care. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll try to go. Good job. Yeah, here's everyone out there. Looks like I got no resonators in there.
You like you got no what?
Resonators. Hello, what are you? What type of dog are you? A Rottweiler?
What the fuck?
You like a Rottweiler.
Get your head.
Yeah, you wanna look at my car, cuz. You like me. You got something like that. Yeah, boy. I thought it did the damn fucking his dog. It did. Alright. Yeah, nah, I'm not taking the tip this time, but I'm just keeping my regular tip. Yeah, last time I went big on the 37. This time I'm going to the regular tip. Heavy as fuck, bro. Work with that thing. Heavy as fuck. Check this out, man. That goes right on here. Tell that boy, let me grab it one time. Do it, boy. I'm already hitting me with some intakes already, so I'm straight. The Beamer, man. Hey, bust it for him, Yo, go partners, though. I thought I just put up with a Beamer. Burn that slow ass shit. Just my op now, just my op. Yeah, pull up with the Beamer. One more time. Pat that bit one more time. One more time. That shit hard though, I ain't gonna lie. Got some aggressive ass pops. Just gonna get whooped.
Hey, y'all boys, my brother finally got his dream car. He been a bitch. He should have bought that shit in the get-go.
Shut the fuck up. I would've go German. I would've go grab a Benz.
You should have stayed in Infiniti, fuck nigga.
Hey man.
You could have been had your shit.
Hey man, I just wanna try German for the one time.
And what happened?
It taught me a lesson. Don't leave my flipping again.
Shit. Now look at you in a Q50 red sport.
Red sport, ready to kill everybody on the street.
Sport.
Ready to kill everybody. I'm telling you,
bro is smiling hard as fuck when I'm
Dog, your part's aggressive as fuck,
because
dog.
I left it on aggressive.
I like that shit. I'm trying to get my shit like that.
Shit, once when you get the tune cut, you gonna be up there.
Oh, that JB4 shit ass, cuz.
Bro?
Ass as fuck. That shit get no pops.
Where David at?
Them boys went to the store.
Who?
How many A?
A didn't go to work?
You lay pipe. That's how I lay pipe when you bitches. Nice already, boy. Looking lighter. I bet, you hear me? That shit looking lighter already, cuz. That bit look too heavy, cuz. It look way lighter, cuz. Let me see that bitch. Oh shit. Where's the car? That shit loud. What the fuck? I think it'll be that loud. I think. Oh shit. Oh, pause your shit?
Nah, he started.
Might not be up. Oh damn. Oh shit. You got pause your shit. What the fuck?
Like he trying to challenge us?
Hey, he's trying to challenge me to go.
He trying to challenge
He got that challenge.
He trying to challenge us?
He's got that challenge, bro. Oh. Shit hard.
Yeah, it's good like that.
Oh yeah. Hey, rev one more time. That been perfect, cuz. That been clean. That been perfect, cuz. That been perfect. One more time. That been perfect.
You know it's income tax season, cuz. Everybody got paper tags, cuz.
What that mean? They buy a car with no income?
cars on income tax,
I ain't had to wait for income for
I
get a
ain't had to
car.
wait income tax too.
Nigga,
Bitch, I got my shit last year, April, bitch.
I been got my shit, nigga. I been doing this shit, boy. Been out here. Been out here. I switch weight back to back. I switch weight like shoes, nigga. Yeah, man, I do what I want. I switch shoes. Yo, you should that. I switch car like I switch shoes. I'm about to put on. Hey, y'all, boy, I rap too. Go on SoundCloud. I'm gonna say that on God. What the fuck is even that?
What the fuck you gonna die?
What the fuck? Just look like, hey, Zo, you want Bob Burgers? Yeah. And you know the daughter with the little pink hat? Oh, with the ears? Yeah, Bob Burgers, girl. You know that Bob Burgers, girl. Ain't got a pink on, it look ugly ass.
You assuming this white bitch tell me we go deaf, bitch? I'll make you drive with no plates, bitch.
God, that nigga swear this bitch got cats?
I don't think that bitch got cats though, cause it's not supposed to sound like that if it don't got cats.
But they said they put like kind of like a converted like that probably from eBay type shit.
Probably.
I'm gonna get some actual downpipes. 954 mufflers on that bitch. Carbon fiber. Come on, man. T-Job. They don't live at T-Job. Turbos too, cuz that shit wrong. Let's see, go. This shit is brrr. This shit, hold on, let me put that bit in manual mode. I ain't even put that bit in manual mode. Put that bit, how much spark plugs? Ain't go spark plug. I ain't even spark plug. Yeah, the turbo already spooled. My nigga, dog. Infiniti. I'll turn up on this bitch, cuz.
Oh God.
One thing about Nissan, they be cheap, but they know how to build a motherfucking car. And that's my baby tonight, nigga. Y'all fucked up. Because I'm the wrong nigga you give this type of car to, okay? I'm the wrong nigga you give this type of car to, okay? Because I'm an idiot, okay? When I'm a Infiniti. Stupid. We in T-Job, bitch. That's my dog. That's my god name, nigga. Hold on, let me see. I know they got police around Hollywood, but I ain't right about no police. I better be able to catch this fucking fin, nigga. We out here. We out here. What a scat pass out, homie?
In me power.
Why would they give me this car? Who told them to give me this car, God? What's their problem, God? They crazy? You hear them turbos? Yes! Y'all hear them turbos? Man, they fucked up, bro. They fucked up, bro. They wow. Sorry. Sorry? Yeah. Left at the stop sign. Better go. Si siya pa mo to pizza, si siya pa mo to be man. Ano mo do right now? Hey, Kenny. Hey, go, get outside, me right now. Mas vai ficar caçado. Oh, fais vite, man. Hey, look, Finn Beezy out, fam. We out here.
On l'a pas la nous autres.
Oh, I lock you out. I lock you out. The Finn with the F in.
And then a fin with the F in AC piping window crossed up behind 10.